Hello, this is Kunika Khosla and
Anchal this side.
from Glamour Mantra, and we are going to start this event sponsored by
Astro Gems.
and here the event goes.
Your name?
Swati.
Swati.
Okay, so we have Swati here. She's going to start the game and here we go. Just pick up three chips. Keep holding it. Yes, you can.
One by one.
One. And
Then.
okay, this is two. Okay, you can open these. Here it comes. Location of three colors. So, what are the three colors on the national flag?
Orange.
Location. It's location. Where is green? Where is
Orange, white, green.
okay? Okay, that's correct.
Okay, that's correct.
Now your second
Another
question.
one.
Latest upcoming film of Sunny Leone.
Yes. Come on.
Come on, it's about to come.
Exactly.
And even one song has
Huh.
been launched
Released, I guess,
Has
yeah.
been released recently.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know this.
You do not want to give a gift?
But I don't remember the movie.
You don't remember the movie?
Okay. Let's
Start with the third question.
Patricia's boyfriend's name.
Yes,
Come on.
come
This
on.
is
Rahul.
just one.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, but unfortunately, you will only win the magazine, not the game.
Because if two are correct. So here Swati is there with us with the magazine of Glamour Mantra. It was nice meeting you.
Same here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is
One by one.
How many have to take out?
Three.
the first one. Say has
President of India.
President of India.
Pranab Mukherjee.
okay, that's correct.
Now next.
By George, IQ का question आ गया. I would have been second आ लिया otherwise. Three colors of the national flag.
Indicates.
Okay. Orange is sovereignty, according to me. White is peace,
Okay.
and green is
Come on.
what does green stand for? I have green revolution.
No. Just come on, try.
Tricolors. Peace.
Okay.
Okay.
Not the game.
Director of Rockstar.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come
You
on.
have to tell this.
No. Not so.
Imtiaz Ali.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's correct.
But one goes wrong.
Yes, one goes wrong. Here's the magazine for you. There's a gift voucher inside it of Spra. Kira.
Singing का मिटाएं.
टंग ट्विस्टर आपको बोलना है.
ऊंचा ऊंट ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की ऊंची पूंछ नहीं
Having the word flower.
फूल.
You know any song जिसके अंदर एक फूल आता हो?
फूल
गाना?
शब्द हो.
सोच सकते हैं आप.
नहीं आ रहा. इट्स ओके, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, हो गया गेम. डायरेक्टर ऑफ नहीं.
You have to say the name of the director.
यस. उसके डायरेक्टर का नाम आपको याद है?
डायरेक्टर को नाम याद नहीं है वो उसका नाम था
एक्टर नाम याद है. रणवीर
वो
कपूर.
कपूर है ना वो
Kapoor Ranveer. कोई बात नहीं. Here's the magazine for you. And there's a gift voucher of Karali Spa. Okay, nice meeting you. Okay, we have Urja, and here we starting the game.
Okay. Oh, okay. I have three already.
Okay, good. So the first chit says,
How many bones in adulthood?
yes.
How many bones?
How many bones are there in a human?
Come on.
Any idea? Come on, no.
312.
No, that's wrong. No. You have just one more chance.
Okay, am I close? Can I get a hint?
No.
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 Please say.
No. Okay. Another chit.
Another chit. Can you give me
Don't
the
put
answer?
it again. Okay, okay,
What
okay.
is the answer?
The answer is 206.
So yeah, that's good.
You know. There's a difference of 100.
I knew the six.
Okay, you need the 6. Okay. Another one is.
Just covered law of gravity. Small science question.
Come on.
Okay.
Yes, that's correct.
Another one is. वो gambo खुश हुआ है फिर डालो. Oh.
Oh, come on. Okay, no problem. So here, unfortunately, you just have the magazine but not the astrogens.
Okay. Let's have a click. Let's
Yes,
have a click.
let's have a click together. First of all, you have to say your name first. Okay. So,
Both of you. All right.
okay.
Individual.
Yes, individual. So we have
Niharika.
so we have Niharika with us, and here we start the game. Okay. It's
ऊंचा ऊंचा ऊंट ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की ऊंची पूंछ
You have to say 6 times.
3 times. 3 times is okay.
Okay. Okay.
क्या
ऊंचा ऊंट, ऊंची पूंछ,
ऊंट की ऊंची पूंछ
ऊंचा ऊंट ऊंट की ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की ऊंची
It's okay. It's okay.
नेम 5 मूवीज ऑफ 90s हम आपके हैं कौन दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे
Three more. Come on.
कुछ कुछ होता है
Okay.
and देवदास
No.
No, 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 no. That's in 2000. Okay, this also went wrong. Now the third one. Third one.
ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ कोक एंड थम्स अप
Yes.
थम्स अप आई थिंक इज सलमान खान
That's correct.
एंड कोक
He's recently been introduced into it.
Don't give a hint.
कोक
Come on. Come on. We all like him. Yeah.
Yeah. Especially girls.
Yeah. Yeah.
everyone boys or girls
Okay, you also know that. Okay, great.
Come on. Let's this question pass to her.
Her. Okay.
And we have your name.
Pia
Pia.
Pia with us
Come on.
First question is
Mowgli.
Mowgli.
This is a very sweet and common
Sweet
song.
question. This is a very yes.
Who's Mowgli?
Mowgli.
Jungle Book.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
the
yes,
Jungle
you
Book.
have to sing the song
Yeah.
just
It's a very common and
3 lines 3-4 lines
2 lines, I guess. 2 lines.
would be enough what is the song
Come on.
who is that song जो आप सोच रहे हो
We have never seen the Jungle Book.
But the song is very famous.
The song is very famous. Everyone used to sing it in our bachpans.
Exactly. शायद आपने movie देख ली है या
चाहे ना देखी हो, but song सब गाते थे.
नहीं? Okay, let's try.
Okay, no problem.
Come on.
His song. Guthi song. Niharika, Niharika, Piya, Piya.
Song.
Guthi song.
Yeah. That Guthi song, the couple show Guthi song.
Yeah, वही करती है. यार,
no,
गाना भी गाती है.
गाना भी गाती बहुत famous है.
भी याद आ गया. Okay.
Okay, let's try another one.
Let's try another one.
Yeah.
Right,
That's
correct,
right.
correct.
Okay.
You have a magazine from our side.
Namrata.
So we have Namrata here and we are going to start the game. So it begins.
I have to put what? 3 chits?
Yes, 3 chits. Okay. So here it is. The first chit says that हम शरीफ क्या हुए पूरी दुनिया ही बदमाश बन गई. This is a dialogue of which film?
Dilwale.
Yes, correct. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, another one is Salman's name in कुछ कुछ होता है. Come on, this is very easy.
Aman.
Yes, something. Aman.
Aman. That's right. That's nice. And the last question left is, how many bones are there in our body? Come on. You can't be wrong in this. Just one question. is left.
278. 308.
No.
278. 276.
No.
275.
No.
272.
No.
308. 306.
No.
I have no idea. Sorry. It's okay. Thank you.
A magazine for you from our side.
was the right
Unfortunately, it was 206. Very good. Okay, thank you so much.
We have Kanchan with us, and
Hi.
we are going to start. We are start with it.
Come on, this way.
3 shots.
Yes. We can pick up one by one.
You can pick up one by one.
3 color of flag indicates.
Yes, what does the three color?
I think it's peace, white, and green for greenery, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, somewhere.
Somewhere it's in around, and orange for freedom, maybe.
No,
Something.
that's not
No.
It's okay.
It's like courage and all. Somewhere
Correct.
around.
Freedom and okay.
Somewhere around.
Gama Khushbua is the dialogue of which film? It's Mr. India.
Yes, that's correct. Cool. That question. And then first question we can somewhere.
Mumbai is the capital of which state? It's Maharashtra.
Yes, that's
cool.
correct.
Come on, now we have the first winner.
Winner with us.
And
So
she is Kanchan.
Kanch.
hi everyone.
Okay, come on.
So let's have a picture together.